Okay, so the first thing we want to do is open the Aris app. Press on search and search for Aris Navigation. Click on the game, press New Game, and wait for the game to load. If you don't see your first clue, press this button. It will zoom out so you can see all available clues. If you see this message at the bottom, that means you must get closer to access the clue. Now let's look in the inventory. Press the menu button, then press Inventory. In the Inventory section, you will be able to have a closer look at all the items in your inventory. Click on each item to see more details about each clue. We will look at the picture puzzle clue, which is an interactive clue. Press play to start interacting with this clue. Then move the individual pieces around to solve the riddle. You may have to press on the three dots above the text in order to see the entire puzzle. The next thing we'll do is we'll look at the decoder. Press the menu button and then press decoder. Input the code that you think is correct. If you see this message, that means that the code that you inputted is incorrect. So that's it for now. Please download the Aris navigation game and test out these features. Thank you. Bye for now.